Do you know why so many people spend years studying English but still struggle to speak with confidence? It's because they are training their mind, not their mouth. Think about it. You can memorize grammar rules, you can read books, you can even get high scores on exams. But when it's time to open your mouth, your tongue feels heavy, your brain freezes, and your confidence vanishes. The truth is simple. To speak English naturally and confidently, you must train your mouth, not just your mind. Imagine this. You learned how to ride a bike, not by reading a 100-page manual, but by actually sitting on the bike, losing balance, trying again, and moving forward. Speaking English is exactly the same. It's not about how much English you know. It's about how much English your mouth has practiced producing. Today in this lesson, I'm going to show you step by step how to train your mouth, not your mind. This way you can finally speak English naturally, fluently, and with true confidence. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you will not only understand the secret, but you will also have powerful daily speaking exercises that will transform your English faster than you ever imagined. Fluency as a physical skill. First, let's uncover the biggest mistake students make. Most students believe that fluency comes from knowledge. But fluency does not live in the brain. It lives in the muscles of your mouth, your lips, your tongue, and your voice. That's right. Speaking is a physical skill, not just a mental one. When you train your mouth, you focus on muscle memory. Just like a singer warms up before a performance, or an athlete practices movements before a game. You must also practice speaking until your mouth moves smoothly, without hesitation. Think about how children learn their first language. Do they study grammar books? Do they memorize word lists? Of course not. They repeat, imitate, and copy their parents' sounds until speaking feels natural. This is the same secret for you. If you want to speak English naturally and confidently, stop waiting for the perfect sentence in your head. Instead, practice saying short sentences out loud over and over until your mouth feels comfortable producing them. Daily speaking exercises. Now let's get practical. If you really want to train your mouth, not your mind, you need daily speaking exercises. And don't worry, they are simple, short, and extremely powerful. Step 1. The shadowing technique. Choose a short English audio clip. It can be a podcast, a movie dialogue, or even a YouTube video. Play just 10 seconds. Listen carefully. Then, play it again, and this time, repeat immediately, copying the speaker's rhythm, intonation, and speed. Don't worry if it's not perfect. The goal is not translation. The goal is imitation. Do this daily, and you will feel your mouth becoming flexible, just like an athlete stretching their muscles. Step 2. Daily sentence repetition. Choose 5 useful phrases in English. For example, I'd like a cup of coffee. Could you help me with this? I really enjoyed the movie. Say each phrase 10 times, clearly, with energy. Do this every morning. In weeks, these phrases will flow from your mouth without hesitation. Step 3. Record and review. This is the secret weapon. Grab your phone, record yourself speaking English for 1 minute. Then, listen back. At first, you might feel embarrassed, but trust me, it's the fastest way to improve. As you listen, you will notice small errors in pronunciation, speed, or clarity. Correct them, record again. Every day, just 1 minute. Small steps, big results. Step 4. Think out loud. Don't wait for someone to practice with you. Practice with yourself. For example, if you are cooking, say out loud, I'm cutting the vegetables. Now I'm boiling water. Next, I'm adding some salt. This trains your mouth to connect English directly to the action, without translating in your head. This is how you free yourself from the fear of speaking. Step 5. Conversation loops. Choose a question like, "What do you do on weekends?" Answer it in 3 different ways. On weekends, I relax at home and read books. Sometimes I hang out with my friends and go shopping. I love to take long walks in the park. This teaches your mouth flexibility, so the next time someone asks, your brain won't freeze. You will have many natural responses ready. Now you might ask, but what if I still feel nervous when speaking? That's natural. Every student feels this way. Confidence is not something you wait for, it's something you built. Here is the truth. Your brain might still think in your native language, but your mouth is learning a new rhythm. So when you speak, accept the small errors. Don't fight them. Don't stop halfway through a sentence. Keep talking. Because confidence is not perfection. Confidence is the courage to keep going. Every mistake is proof that you are training your mouth, and with every word you say out loud, you are building a stronger, more natural voice in English. Remember this: fluency is not in the head. Fluency is on the tongue. So let's put it all together. When you only study grammar and vocabulary, you train your mind. That is useful, but it is not enough. Real fluency comes when you train your mouth, not your mind. Every day, give your mouth the workout it needs. Shadowing native speakers, repeating powerful daily phrases, recording and reviewing yourself, thinking out loud, creating conversation loops. These small steps build muscle memory, and muscle memory creates natural fluency. Now, imagine yourself 6 months from now. You walk into a room, someone asks you a question in English, and instead of freezing, your mouth responds smoothly, naturally, with confidence. No hesitation, no fear. Just communication that feels easy and effortless. That is the power of training your mouth. That is the key to speaking English naturally. So don't just learn English, live it, speak it, and feel it flow. And remember, confidence does not come from silence. It comes from practice. Every word you say out loud takes you one step closer to fluency.
Like and subscribe to the channel.